where we show you amazing rides. Today I have two special guests, my cousin Matt and my little brother Luke. And we are about to ride Jungle Cruise. Right now we're in line, and as you can see, we have some boats behind us, and we're about to go on one of them.
Now, I'm your host, I'm Skipper Brody, and welcome to the Amazon rainforest, where 365 days a year it rains. Yeah, that's like almost every other day. Guys, that's an elephant. Fun fact about elephants, they have one of the best memories in the world. You know, I wish I had that memory. It would really help with my job. Oh my goodness! Woo! You know what? It's okay, guys. It's just a python. It's up here, that's the top of the boat. Down here, we've got the bottom of the boat. Now, if they switch at any point, swim. And just in time, it is time for that eighth wonder of the world. It's the backside of water! Woo! Yeah! We've made it out of there, and we have stumbled upon an ancient Indian elephant mating. Now, fun fact about elephants, they have one of the best memories in the world. You know, I wish I had that memory. It would help with my job. Of course, a lot of people do ask, Skipper Brody, is that water coming out of their
times
skull?
already.
You guys know it's
Don't really.
Speaking of sun, it's allergy season, and they're seizing up a storm. But there's another one. Okay, just a second. Oh no! Get down! I'm so sorry! Get down! I'm kidding! That's dry humor, guys. You're welcome, okay? We already did this joke! You're late! Sorry about that. Anyway, if you look up in the trees on either side, those plants we call a hibiscus. On the ground, we've got a lobiscus. In the water, a seabiscus. And way back there, you can't really see it. That's nutty-obiscus, okay? Moving on. So remain seated, keeping those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And watch the kids. I've had a wonderful time with you all today, and if you enjoyed your cruise, well, my name is Skipper Brody, with a Y. And if you did not enjoy your cruise, well, my name is Skipper Brody, with a Y. Are you still on my boat? Get out. Oh, stop, go!
You guys, that was awesome. Out of all the times we've actually ridden it, that was the most hilarious guy we've ever had. Matt, what was your favorite part about it? Probably his jokes. Luke, what was your favorite part about it?
My favorite part about it was the bad snakes.
Bad snakes?
Well, I didn't like them.
You didn't like the bad snakes?
Yeah. I liked what I was.
No, what did you like?
I liked the elephants when they dipped their trunks in the water.
He liked the elephants that dipped their trunks in the water, and I think he misunderstood me when I first asked him. And my favorite part was actually the jokes too.